Hi everyone, I have just finished my project, which is the 14 scale Ram 3500. The car is built on the WPL ladder frame chassis, metallic links and axles, of course metallic gearbox with with that motor. I think is a 390 or smaller, I don't know. And of course rear metal axle. The servo is mounted on the axle. It's a 3 kilo servo, more than enough. A 10 scale ESC, also more than enough. The car has no lights. It was a 3D printed from PLA and hand painted and hand polished and smoothed. It's not that great actually, regarding the polish and all that. And the car is fully functional with a great capabilities. Of course, it was a dually setup, so four tires in the rear and of course one in the front, 4-wheel drive. Thank you, and give us a like and support and subscribe to support the channel for more videos. Thank you very much.